Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. As we all were waiting for iOS 14.5 to be released, but today Apple surprisingly released iOS 14.4.1 for all the official iOS 14.4 users. And guys, surprisingly, this update or this patch has been released for all the OS version. That is your iOS 14.4.1 has been released along with your iPadOS 14.4.1. Okay, watchOS 7.3.2 as well as your macOS Big Sur 11.2.3. Yes guys, this patch or this update has been released for all the OS versions. So now before directly jumping to features or update, first of all let's go and find out the numbers, that is your update size. Okay, for my iPhone 7 it is around 90 MB, 90 megabyte. Okay, it may vary according to devices or the previous iOS version you have installed on your device. Okay, after the update size, let's go find out the build number. So if you go to settings, general, and if you click on about, and here if you see the new build number is 18D61. That's a new build number for iOS 14.4.1. So guys, this iOS 14.4.1 update is very important because it is regarding your security update. So now if you ask me what is the exact reason, so normally Apple doesn't disclose or doesn't tell what is the exact issue because of vulnerability, and it may damage the users as well. But iOS 14.1.1 is about a WebKit, right? It is a fix regarding your WebKit. So now if you ask me what is a WebKit, so in simple words, a WebKit is a browser engine developed by Apple, okay, which is primarily or mainly used in Safari browser. So it is regarding your browsers of a iPhone or any devices. So mainly Safari as well as your third-party browsers on your device. So it is regarding your browsers and a WebKit. So guys, in simple words, iOS 14.4.1 has been a patch or a fix for all the issues regarding your WebKit, okay, that is related to your browsers. So that can be Safari browser as well as any third-party browser used on all the iOS platform or iPadOS as well as your macOS or a watchOS. So it is an update regarding a WebKit fix. iOS 14.4.1 is really important update regarding security. So all the users who are running official version of iOS 14, please go ahead and update your device to iOS 14.4.1. And all the users who are running beta version on the devices, please wait. Apple will soon release this patch or a fix for all the beta users as well. Okay guys, that was all about your iOS 14.4.1 update. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And please subscribe for more awesome videos on iOS update, iOS tips and tricks, and iPhone amazing customizations. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.